Hey guys, I wish all of you are doing well. Welcome back to another lesson of Microsoft Office Word from Literacy Bits. In the previous lesson we have studied about layout. Just these four tabs are remain, which is reference, mailing, review, and view. We will start studying from view because there is a lot to say about reference and mailing. So this is the simple one. We will go through it, then we will learn these options. The first one is read mode, which you click, it will be read mode. For example, if you have a bunch of words or paragraph, you will go in read mode and start reading. By pressing escape, you will be get out from that mode. This is the print layout mode, which is the default mode. Web layout mode, this is how it looks like while web. This is the outline. This is the draft mode. We will go to default mode, and this is about immersive reader. When you click it, you can narrow it, you can very narrow it, and this is the read mode. Actually, you can make colorful your page. I think this one is good. This is about text spacing, and in here you will use syllables, which it will make apart your words, the small words. In here we have read aloud.
To make your document look
Which
professionally
it
produced,
will
Word provides
read
header,
aloud
footer,
the
cover page,
words.
and text box.
In here we have vertical and we have slide. We have side to side mode. If you have, for example, a bunch of pages, it will make it side to side. But we will go through vertical mode. In here we have ruler, whether you want to have ruler in your page or not, or guide line, or navigation pen, which is this pen. In here we have zoom. You can zoom 200% like this, or make it 75% like this. This is the default mode. In here we have page width, text width, and whole page. These are the type of zooming. And here we have many pages. If you want to show many pages, it will show and zoom out like this. And here we have many other types of words by pressing many pages. Like if you want, you can have 2 pages like this in a row. But let's make it default. This is the one page. If you want, you can have multiple pages. This is the page width, which is, you can see the width of the page. In here we have new window. You can open a new window like this, and you can arrange all. See, we have like 4 or 3 pages which are open. Let me close one of them and arrange all. This is it will be arranged. And here we can split the page. Then you can remove the split. This is how it looks. Let me close this. In here we have a split. This is another option, which is view side by side. Let me show you what does this do. Imagine we have 2 pages of words, and I will arrange it view side by side, which it will make our document page side by side. Okay. Next option is reset Windows position. For example, our windows got smaller. We can reset the position by pressing that. Okay. Let's remove view side by side. This is document 1 and this is document 2. And this is macro. In the next lesson we're going to study what does macro do. For right now, bye bye.